This is the Poodll guy, and I'm going to explain how to renew your Poodll subscription. First, you'll need to go to your members area on Poodll.com. There you'll be able to select Renew, choose your payment method, and after you've paid you'll be able to pick up your registration key and you'll paste that into Poodll. You can log into your members area at https://poodll.com/member. If you don't remember your password, there is a forgot password link and you can use that to get a reset link sent to you by email. If that doesn't work, then just contact Poodll support and we'll organise a new password for you right away. Once you are logged into your members area, there will be a subscriptions tab, and if you click on the subscriptions tab, beside your current subscription there will be a link to renew. If you click on that link to renew, you'll be taken to a payments page. On the payments page you have two options. You can pay by invoice or by credit card. Even if you do choose to pay by invoice, it's actually possible to pay that invoice with a credit card, so that's a good option if you need to pass the details to somebody in the finance department or someone who has authorization to use a credit card or another method of payment. Once you have paid by credit card or requested an invoice, your new subscription is renewed and set up right away. So you can go to your members page and collect your registration code. You will need to get a new registration code because your old one has the expiry date hard-coded inside it. So go to your members page and you'll see hopefully the new code has been generated automatically and the expiry date is the expiry date of the new subscription. If that's not the case, just wait a few minutes and refresh the page, and then you should see your registration code there. And when you do, copy that registration code. And with that copied registration code, you should head over to your Poodll site and paste that registration code or registration key into the Poodll Filter General Settings page. That's available at Site Administration, Plugins, Filters, Poodll General Settings. Once you've pasted the registration key in there, save those settings on that page and your new subscription should be active right away and you should have another year of Poodll use.